chicken, winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
What's up, everybody? And I've lost my mind if I didn't already do it last year. Bringing you back to the sports bar, right? Order the wings, you order the 32-ounce Diet Coke. Then the wings come and they're not crispy, and they're also not spicy. They say they only have lemon, chicken, pepper, blah, blah, left. No, it's not for me. I want a buffalo. Buffalo wing, is that too much for a guy to ask for, you know? I'm a cheap date. So I thought, yes, I'm on my keto journey, but I did recently learn, and by learn, Googled, there's only 6 carbs and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. So that's the only carb I'm gonna use here, because is butter a carb?
Is butter a carb? Yes.
So let me give you the lowdown, right? The lowdown is you need some chicken, and then I made my own allspice mix. Then I did equal parts, so 1 teaspoon of your ground cumin, smoked paprika, chili powder, cayenne pepper, ginger powder, onion powder, and then you ain't said nothing but a word. This is gonna be where we make our buffalo sauce, so a little Frank's Red Hot, 1/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire, no, it's Worcestershire. Yeah.
Sounds right.
Yeah, I'm just doing a 1/2 stick of unsalted butter because this already has salt in it, so you don't need any more. And a 1.5 tablespoons of distilled white vinegar. I would be drinking beer if I could, but instead this is the gay cocktail. Vodka soda. Look at that. Bam! 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Okay. Then you just coat it. Nice and seasoned. Oh, it smells good. It's not even cooked yet. What are you looking at, swine? What, bitch? Oh, sorry. Now, you're gonna do your little air fryer situation at 250 degrees, 20 minutes. And while you're waiting for that, that's when you're gonna make your buffalo sauce. So, you need to make the sauce. You don't want to burn your butter. If you burn your butter, start over. It's a wrap.
Okay, everybody, that's a wrap.
2/3 cup of your, this is Frank's. This is Frank's. Frank is an OG.
I put that on everything.
You can use as much butter as you like, but this is a little more than a 1/2 stick. 1.5 tablespoons of distilled white vinegar, the 1/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire, and you kind of just let it do its thing. And as soon as it melts, and you whisk it all together, that's it, take it off the heat. It smells so good. It reminds me of my friend Neely, who like every Thanksgiving would make this buffalo chicken dip. And I would always ask her like what she puts in it, and I thought she was lying to me. She said, I put blue cheese. I'm like, blue cheese is like the pinky toe of the earth. Like, no. And she's like, no, I do. And she was right. Okay, we're good. Get off the heat. What? What? Oh, listen, I haven't been closeted like this since I worked at Abercrombie & Fitch. Look at that. So you're gonna let these rest. Chill, you know, like Netflix and chill for 15 minutes. Make yourself a cocktail or a mocktail, bro. Look at that, come on. Ooh, whoopsie. Look at that, nice little hot buffalo sauce. I like them saucy. Usually I use my hands, but you know. Now it's time to taste. Dunkaroo. So good. I mean, it's like that 5-year-old little kid Tommy at his birthday party with a face full of chocolate cake. I'm telling you, this never fails. It's the easiest recipe. Really, truly is the easiest recipe ever. If you liked yourself, no. If you like me, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and listen, let me know if you try it. Let me know, holla at your boy. I enjoyed you, I appreciate you, and I love you mucho. Until next time, my friends, see you on the flip side. Come on, Trouble, let's blow this popsicle stand.